What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the lab. I'm Izzo, here with another weekly lab update. Last time in the lab, we went over the tutorial text and seen how it was formatted into perfect little paragraphs. Well, since then I've been hard at work on each chapter's goal phase, despite some of the challenges that came up, but I'll save those for a future devlog. All in all, it was a pretty straightforward process. With the addition of each chapter's goal phase, we've pretty much finished developing tutorial mode. Well, that's half the truth. See, tutorial mode is playable, sure, but visibly or easily accessible, no it's not. Throughout this whole process, I've been using the escape key on a very specific state of the title screen to access tutorial mode. What we need is a button and a few menu states for the user to easily enter tutorial mode. Plus, I want to allow the possibility of loading in your own profile and using it to complete the tutorial. Once I get achievements in the game, completing the tutorial will be its own achievement, so might as well get the groundwork done now. On another note, in scenarios like this where you just drop a whole new set of features into an already established codebase, you have to basically make it play nice with the rest of the code. I'll rant more about that in an upcoming devlog, but for now, I'll just show one of the points where, without any interference, tutorial mode could break the game. It's when you get a game over. So here's what happens when you get a game over in tutorial mode and tutorial mode doesn't play nice. Yeah, that's not good. Basically, the tutorial menu locks up gameplay. What's worse is I can't even make the tutorial menu go away. It doesn't respond to starting that goal phase. Not what we want at all. But here's what happens after I make tutorial mode play nice with the game over logic. That's a lot better. We actually get that game over screen, and we're even able to restart from the point that we got that game over at. Alright lab, that's it for this week's update. I gotta work on some modifications to the title screen for accessing tutorial mode and continue to make tutorial mode play nice with the rest of the logic for Galaxy Frontier. Oh yeah, and good news, since we're in the final stages of tutorial mode, it's time to start work on devlog 19 too. Woot woot. So yeah, I have a lot of footage to edit, so it's really time for me to get started. Thanks everyone for tuning in to the weekly update, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one, everyone.